If you want to stay up to date with our latest videos, click the red subscribe button and the notification bell. We publish videos every other Saturday.
Hello. Junk everywhere. I like that little ceiling fan with a design around it. It's pretty cool. This place looks pretty empty. At least it's carpeted. Most of these houses I've been walking into are hardwood. Nice big open windows. TV is nice. I don't even know which way to go. It's a nice open floor plan. It's nice little details here. Not too bad. Wonder how long this place has been abandoned for. Oh, that's cool. Let's check out the kitchen. I really like this little table area. That's really neat. I can't believe it's all still there. Not all tore up and destroyed. Yeah, I like this place. There's really not much going on with the kitchen. Wow. That right there is the image of abandonment. Wow. Oh, I got another old TV here. Get a little bit of light in here. Nice. At least this place has some stuff left behind. It's mostly just junk in the floor. I'm not gonna focus on all that. Just give you a quick look around in this room. Not much to see in here. Whoa, the sink is backwards. Perfectly good razors. Alright, let's see here. I think it's empty. Nothing left of that. I think this place has an upstairs. definitely, oh wait, you know what, look at that. What a nice mantle fireplace. Just like it. Alright. Yeah, I think this place, oh, what do we have here? Is this just a closet? Oh, no way. Okay, we will check that out after upstairs. I want to see upstairs first. Hope that's okay with you guys. Wow, wow. Hello. Definitely evidence of squatters in this house. Yeah, you can see, oh, mattress, shoes, random clothes, pretty recent food items, strong evidence of squatter activity. Bring down your house. Xbox. It's funny. Alright, so that's one room. Let's see what else we got here. Let's see, let's put all light. Lots of squatter evidence. Tons. That, oh, that's unopened Kool-Aid sparklers. Let's see. It says best by January 19. That's probably just fine. Yep. Lots of squatter junk in here. Oh yeah, there's a homeless sign. Homeless vet needs food and smokes. Yep. Oh, sweet. We're gonna go in the basement. Alright, let's check it out. All kinds of jars and junk down here. Whoa. Lots of jars. Countless jars. Jars. Lots of mason jars. Some that still have mystery contents. Jägermeister. Alright, well, that's it for this place. See you guys later.